Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to sign in to your Comcast account. First, click on browser. Go to comcast.net. Click on sign in button on the right side of your screen. Type your username, email or phone number on username box and type your password on password box. If you are using from your own computer, click on Stay Sign In. Clicking on this, you don't have to sign in again when you use it next time. Type the moving character on the box. If you don't understand the characters, click on Get on New Challenges. And if you want to get an audio challenge, click on Get an Audio Challenge. To sign in, click on Sign In button. If you have forgot your username or password, click on Forgot Username or Password. If you don't have your account, click on Create One. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel.